Yeah, sound, nice one. Just jump in. Just do normal arm shoulder to start.
No, I take the 11, please.
Yeah, now look in.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Take a picture of it.
No, go on, let's get one.
No, because then I have to take it again if I do.
Right.
So yeah, so on this side, it's in the 650.
Nice kit, mate. Looking good. Hello, mate. First one, arms folded, and then we'll head back a little bit. Yeah. So, what is it, mate? Yeah. Just take one step this way, and then look in. Yeah, really nice. We'll just have a little walk around and I'll get you a few bits about. Yeah, really nice.